Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne collab. So I'm gonna be reviewing this today, doing a little demo. I won't be doing swatches or anything like that because I hate doing swatches and it's like the worst ever. And there was other videos of swatches. I know Raw Beauty Chrissy did some, so y'all can check out her channel if you want to see actual swatches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. All of this stuff's out of the actual unicarton, so it might fall out, so I gotta be careful. But here's like the box the PR came in. And here's the actual palettes. Oh, they're so pretty. So right here we have the Kaleidoscope Dream palette. Alright, so here is the first palette I'm gonna show. This is the Kaleidoscope Dream eyeshadow palette. And can we talk about the packaging though? I love these colors so fucking much. But here is the inside. So there's 11 eyeshadows. This palette does retail for $39, I believe. It comes with a dual-ended brush. People usually don't use eyeshadow brushes that come with palettes. But I know Urban Decay, they usually have pretty good brushes in these palettes. I probably will be using that. So there's like a variety of shades. Obviously these are very pigmented, very colorful eyeshadows. Very Urban Decay and very Kristen because that's just like what they like. So all of them are shimmers, and then this orange and this black shade are mattes. Alright, so here is the Daydream eyeshadow palette and another brush that's gonna fall out. This one retails for $26. It's a bunch of mattes and these are pretty neutral, warm tone eyeshadows. Here's the Beauty Beam highlight palette. This honestly is one of the most beautiful highlights I've ever used in my life, so I have used some of these before. Some of these items. This shade right here is literally amazing. I like to mix a little bit of this one in as well. But the formula on these are so finely milled that it literally looks like nothing on your skin. It just like literally like your skin is just glowing. But there's 3 shades. One is great for light, medium, and then deep skin tones. And this retails for $34. Alright, here's the first lipstick. There are 3 of these. This is called Spellbound. This is a Mega Matte lipstick. So the other ones are Comfort Mattes, and this one is a Mega Matte. This one is called Cloud 9. And this one is called Bum Bum. This is probably my favorite out of them. I love warm toned nudes. So they're also exclusives to Ulta, I believe. Yes, Ulta Beauty and UrbanDecay.com. They didn't send it in the PR package, but they're right here. So if you see right here, there are 3 liquid lipsticks. There's one duo and then one by itself, and then there's a single eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into a tutorial. I'm going to do an eye look first, and then I will come back and do my lips because I want to make sure I don't have a lot of fallout on my foundation and all that stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips. I don't know if this has a lot of fallout or not, I don't really remember, but yeah, let's go ahead and just zoom right in. Alright, so like always, going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer to prime my eyelids. Y'all know the drill with that. Alright, now I'm going to grab this shade Lucy and I'm going to put that all over the eyelid to set that concealer. Alright, now I'm going to grab this shade Daydream and put that into the crease. I'm going to mix a little bit of Subscribe in as well. Alright, I'm going to grab this orange shade and I'll put this into the crease. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Holy shit, you guys. That was literally one dip in to the pan. Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of 8 and put this into my crease a little bit lower. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to do like a middle cut crease, so it's going to be like a halo cut crease like right in the middle of the eyelid. So I'm just going to take the Urban Decay concealer like I always do. This is like my favorite concealer, one of them. Put some on the back of my hand. My favorite concealer brush I use to cut creases with. This is the Anastasia 18 brush. Alright, so once that is blended out into the edges, so what you do is put the concealer right in the middle and then kind of blend it out as it dries. I'm just going to set that with a little bit of Lucy. And this is so the eyeshadow that I put on top doesn't mix with the concealer. Honestly, this would be so pretty if you just left it like this. Alright, now I'm going to use the eyeshadow Stay Gold from the palette. I'm going to put that right in the center on that cut crease. I'm going to try it dry first. I'm just going to use a flat synthetic brush. And let's see how it goes on. Oh, wow. That actually looks really good without any like setting spray or anything wet on it. Oh, that looks so good. Yes. You know, I'm just gonna get it wet just to see what it looks like. And I have MAC's new charcoal water. I don't understand what the charcoal part is, like the difference between this and Fix Plus, but I'm just gonna use this. I don't know. So I just sprayed the brush, just gonna go on top, and it basically looks the same. So that's awesome, you don't have to get these wet, because that really shows you how good of an eyeshadow these are. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with 8, that dark brown. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. And the inner corner as well. Just very lightly blend the gold with that brown. Alright, so eyeshadows are pretty much done. That was honestly a very quick cut crease. These eyeshadows are just really easy to blend with. But I'm also just going to take a makeup wipe and clean this up. I like to kind of blow it out so that I have a lot of room to like clean it up, you know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean. But also there's a little bit of fallout from the brown shade. So I'm just going to kind of clean it up and sharpen it a little bit. Awesome! Alright, this looks really good. So I'm going to add a little bit of more of like a pop of color. So I'm going to use the Lime Time shade. This is the green one, obviously. Alright, so I'm going to try the green shade in the inner corner. I hope I don't hate this. I hope I don't regret it. But green and gold, I mean, I feel like in the palette, all three of these together look really nice. But I'm just hoping it goes good on my eyes. So let's just pop it on. Actually, no, I think I'm down for it. Actually, I kind of like that. It's a little bit different, but that's why I think I like it so much. I don't want to have the gold and the green connect though, but I do want to make sure to blend it into that brown. If you need to, you can take the brown and kind of blend the green away. Alright, it kind of looks weird right now, but once I have my face done, bottom done, lashes, eyebrows, and all that stuff, it's going to come together. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and then I'll go ahead and come back and do the under eyes. Alright guys, so the face is done and my eyebrows and everything, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the highlighting palette to highlight. Just want to show you guys it's in action. Like I said before, this is one of my favorite highlighters that I have ever used actually. So I'm going to take a little bit of this middle shade and maybe mix it in a little bit of this and go ahead and pop it on. So pretty. And this is a highlighter, it doesn't really like, sometimes you put a highlighter on, it sticks to your skin and like stays right there and you can see like a harsh line of like where it starts and stops. This one really blends out and it really just like disperses really nicely and it just looks so pretty. Another thing I love about this highlighter is you can really make it super sheer, where it literally looks like your skin just has like a subtle glow to it. Or obviously you can get it to build up to super intense. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. My camera did cut off when I finished the eyes. I did put the purple shade underneath the eye, and then I used the nude, like warm tone on the lip. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Deuces.